Having a pixie cut under all my wigs made me feel like I couldn't do any styles, but my hair finally grew long enough where I could put it in a little ponytail, so I decided to do a braided one. I obviously have relaxed hair, so this is way easier than if this is my natural hair texture. Let me put that out there. I used some Shine and Jam in the yellow jar and some Got To Be spray and gel, and that pretty much slicked down everything I needed it to. My edges or anything literally won't move if I put on Got To Be. I was able to get a really slick pony, and I was very proud of myself because I do not touch my natural hair. Like, I'll do the wigs all day long, but when it comes to my natural hair, I just be like, no ma'am. I'll leave that to the professionals, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just put the Got To Be all throughout my hair, put it in a little ponytail, brushed it back, and then I proceeded to do my baby hairs. I also used this type of hair, which was really worked well, actually. And I looked up some YouTube videos how to make the little ponytail. It was easy, actually. It was easier than I thought. The braid and everything turned out pretty good. It was hard for me at first because it was hard for me to grab my little ponytail to try to like braid that in, especially with these nails on. Like, y'all got talent if you could braid with nails on. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, I did the little curl at the end of the braid, and it just turned out super cute. I'm not used to seeing my natural hair out, really, but I loved it, honestly. It was perfect, simple holiday hair.